So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to make the interior of the Toyota Crown more VIP, or give it a bit more of that VIP feeling. So you guys haven't seen the Crown in a while. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have known we did a full detail on the Crown. The paint is looking 100 times way better and feels way more smoother as well. Don't mind it at the moment, it is a bit dirty, you know, it recently rained. But once I wash it, oof, it's actually 100 times way better. So here it is, the package, straight from Yahoo Auctions, straight from Japan. So here it is, a VIP table for the Toyota Crown. Let's go. Check that out. Far out. Oof. Can put your ciggies, put your drinks, and extra table for, I don't know, maybe a phone or something. But yeah, can't wait to install this. Let's go. Yeah, I know it's not the cleanest condition. It is secondhand from Yahoo Auctions, and you know it does need a bit of work. Like, look, I need to glue that back in and glue this side back in. It is a bit dirty, but hey, can't go wrong with $90. This was only $90, so I had to cop ASAP and straight from Japan, 2-day delivery. Oof, I can't wait to install this. I think it's a pretty easy install as well, so let's go ahead, chuck it on and see how the install is. I figured out how to install it, and it's so easy and so simple. So if you guys can see right here, there are two holes right here and right here. Basically what you do is just put 2 screws in and done. So how you install that is you open your glove box right here, and it uses the OEM glove box hole. So if you come down right here, there is a hole right there on the right side and a hole on the left side right there. So you take those screws out and then you put your new screws in, and that's how it is. Like, yeah, so basically essentially you bolt it in and it just hangs like that, and there's a little lever at the bottom so you can still close your glove box. Oof, it looks 100 times way better, eh? And I got so lucky with the color as well. Look at it, it's like a fake like carbon, it's like a navy carbon, and it kind of matches the rest of my interior as well. So yeah, got lucky on that. Let us know what you think. And with 2 screws, it's not too bad. So it is a bit wobbly, but 2 screws can't go wrong. So I might have to make a bracket in the future, but that is how it sits. And don't mind this right here, you know, nothing hot glue gun will fix. But yeah, pretty neat, pretty nice, just gives it that little extra VIP feeling as well. Alright, with that being done, let's add some props and get some photos for the gram. So we got the Hennessy, you already know, VSOP Hennessy, we're gonna go with that. We got the ciggies, we also got the cocaine. Nah, psych, this is just creatine. But hopefully, yeah, the color's right to, you know, for the gram. Anyways guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT, and we'll catch you guys next one. Laters. 100 times way better. Oh shit.